Are core exercises helpful for low back pain? Hey guys, my name is Dr. Grant Elliott with RehabFix, here to talk to you about your core and your low back. Many people are told that they have low back pain because their core is weak, and truthfully, that's just usually not the case. It's not that you're weak. Many people who are very, very strong have low back pain. Usually what they mean is that your core is not stabilizing the right way, or your spine is not stabilizing the right way. And we can improve the way you move and the way you stabilize while you move. That's what's gonna help your low back pain. Having a six-pack, having a strong core does not mean strong spine. Often, if we're flexing with a tight core all the time, a six-pack core, sometimes that can even cause low back issues. And what we really want to learn how to do is how to stabilize our core through motion and learn how to create pressure in the abdomen so that our spine remains rigid and not flimsy and flopping all around, okay? Sure, everyone will benefit from some core-related movements. It's great. However, there's some core movements out there that can actually be disadvantageous for many people's low back recovery. One of them is crunches, others might be sit-ups, leg raises, anything that causes repetitive rounding of the low back can sometimes irritate low back issues and sciatica issues, things like that. And it can prevent them from recovery. So they're told, hey, your core is weak, you need to strengthen their core, but they're not told how. And that leads many individuals to do the classics, such as the sit-ups and the crunches and those things that can actually work against us. So what you need to do is find someone who can help you find the movements that are right for you. But without me knowing specifically what you need, here are 3 spine-friendly movements that are known around the world as McGill's Big 3. Number 1 of McGill's Big 3 is the curl up. I'm gonna put my hands under my low back to support my low back. I'm gonna keep my chin tucked, and I'm gonna act like there's a string on my sternum and it's pulling me towards the ceiling, and I'm gonna raise up just a couple inches. I'm focusing on contracting through the abs, pushing my low back into my hands, not jutting my chin forward too much, keeping my chin back, and just lifting my sternum straight off the ground. I can do a few, and I can switch legs with this. Number 2 is the side plank. Now you can do the side plank on your knees if you wish. Push those hips up and forward so you're in a straight line right here. You can use your knees. If you feel like you start to get a little bit more advanced, then you can begin to kick the legs out. So you're doing a full plank just like this. What you're gonna feel with these movements is that bottom part of your core, that QL muscle, is gonna really be working with these. Make sure we're not cranking the neck. Make sure your shoulder isn't in your ear and you're separating that ear and that shoulder. You're keeping your neck nice and neutral, picking the hips up and forward, feeling that core work. And number 3, the bird dog. The bird dog, you're gonna be on your hands and knees with the hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. You're gonna kick out with the opposite arm and opposite leg as you lead with the heel towards the wall and you squeeze the hand with the fist. Squeeze on each end, okay? Returning back to neutral and alternating sides. We wanna make sure you do while you do this is you don't excessively arch the back. Don't arch the back like that. Let's keep that torso neutral. Let's keep that core neutral, that spine neutral, everything nice and rigid as we alternate through this movement. Squeezing the butt, squeezing the fist, leading with the heel, and feeling a good overall contraction through the torso. So with these classic movements, so they're not specific to you, but they are known as phenomenal core activation movements that are very low stress on the spine that you're gonna feel very well. And I love these movements. These are a great starting point for a lot of people. So if you're looking for some core related movements, these are ones I would highly recommend to begin implementing into your routine and maybe not focus on the crunches so much and other things like that and give an alternative a try. If one thing isn't working for your core and for your low back, then it's time to try something different. If you've been suffering for days, weeks, months, years, it's about time to try something different and throw something new in there and keep it fun and interesting. Well, I hope that that was educational. I hope that you learned something. And if you did, please like, comment, and share, and tag someone that's been told that they need to work on their core or someone that has low back issues that could benefit from this video. Let's stay motivated. Let's keep working hard, keep working towards your goals, and let's keep learning how to fix our low back.